Hello everyone, I welcome you back to my channel and my name is Christina Basumatari. So as I have promised you earlier that I will come up with Indian polity, not the explanation but top 100 MCQs, okay? It will be like a quick revision, okay? It will be a revision is na hobo. ঠিক আছে ইয়াতে source to কি হয় M Lakshmikant Indian polity, okay? And my name is Christina Basumatari to remember me, and here one condition to continue this video is that আপোনালোকে যদি part 1 ভাল পায় then only I will come up with the part 2, okay, so that I don't want you to waste your time or my time, okay. Instead of this I can focus on another topic. So let's start to our first question. Yeah, the first question ki hoy, the philosophical postulates of the Constitution of India are based on which one? Nehru report, na objective resolution, na Independence in India, Young India written by Mahatma Gandhi's article, or Indian National Congress resolution for complete independence 1929. মানে ইয়াতে philosophical postulate ji hoy constitution opor, okay, ya background to ki hoy, source to ki hobo, it is based on which one? So your answer is objectives resolution of Pandit Nehru 1947. aru hetu eta important source hoy, okay, to know the preambles features, okay. Then let's move to the next. Which article of the Indian Constitution had to deal kore what with the suitability of the state of India? Okay, which article? And the answer is Article 300. Very easy to remember. And the institution of Lokayuta had a first Maharashtra creator, okay, but in which year? Very important. Okay, in which year? This is 1971. Okay, now the next. Which of the following devices, okay, remember we have many devices, okay, that calls the attention of minister towards a matter of public importance. Hetu, okay, 4 hetus of device hoy, okay, parliament, used in parliament, but yate huda ase ki which devices it calls the attention of a minister with what? On the public importance. So your answer should be easily calling attention notice, okay. Then the next question is constitutional safeguards to civil servants are ensured by which article? Okay, civil servants oporot he eta protection hoy, hetu hoy constitutional safeguards, hetu kun article or di ase, okay, which article? Okay, your article is this one, Article 311. Then next question, the term hetu, remember the term economic justice, okay, this is economic justice in the preamble to the Constitution of India is a resolution for what? Okay, আমি যে preamble of economic justice term পাই হেতু কি হয়? Okay, is a resolution for কিহৰ কাৰণে? Okay, resolution for কিহৰ কাৰণে? কোনটো হ'ব আপোনাৰ answer? Which one? Your answer is equal distribution of wealth. Very important. Economic is easily we can connect with the wealth, okay. Then the boundary of state in India can be altered, okay, altered or changed, okay, through the procedure laid down in which article? Maja state ase India hetu boundary to change koribo pare eba alter koribo pare by which procedure laid down, okay, in article, okay. Article 360 ami eliminate koribo pare hetu hoy constitutional amendment, okay, used by the parliament, and kontu hobo, okay, easily hetu article kontu hobo Article 3. Very important. Then next question, the Parliament of India passed a States Reorganization Act in 1956 to create what? The Parliament of India that was passed, okay, that is the States Reorganization Act in 1956, okay, to create what? Whether 16 states and 3 union territories, or 15 states and 5 UTs, or 14 states and 6 union territories. Which one will be your answer? 14 states and 6 union territories. The next question is, the states of the Indian Union can be recognized, okay, or their boundaries altered by whom? By what methods? Which one? The Union Parliament, by a simple majority in the ordinary process of legislation. Then the next question is, which article of Indian Constitution it deal with the citizenship in India? Konto article of Indian Constitution hetu deal kore with the citizenship in India? Which article? Articles 5 to 11. Now next question is, as far as the armed forces are concerned, the fundamental rights granted under Articles 14 and 19 of Constitution are what? Okay, as far as the armed forces. Remember, armed forces are concerned. The fundamental rights granted under Articles 14 and 19 of the constitution are which one? Whether it is not available at all, or available only according to law made by parliament, or available only at the discretion of the chief of the army, or none of the above. Which one will be your answer? Your answer is B, available only according to law made by the parliament. Then the next question is, in the constitution, the power to issue a writ of habeas corpus is vested only in what? In the constitution, the power to issue writ. We all know about the writ, okay? There are 5 types of writ. Okay, but here, writ of habeas corpus is being asked. Okay, yate writ of habeas corpus, okay? Uporat question huda ase. Hetu ki hoy? The power to issue a writ of habeas corpus kar uporat thake hetu vest koribole is vested only in what? Okay, whether it is in Supreme Court or the High Courts or both. Which one will be your answer? Remember, here answer will be the both, the Supreme Court and the High Courts. Okay, remember. But when you look at the judiciary or the judicial system, okay, we have Supreme Court at the top, right? And there are many jurisdictions like the original jurisdiction. Remember, okay, in original jurisdiction, only Supreme Court has the sole power to implement that. Okay, do remember this. Then the next question is, under the Indian Constitution, which one of the following is not a specific ground on which the state can place restrictions on freedom of religion? Okay, under the Indian Constitution, kuntu eta specific ground nohoy, okay, on which the state can place restriction, okay, on which the state can restrictions on freedom of religion. Here, I have SMS com use because here to MCQs or they explain okay. See, your answer will be social justice. Okay. Then let's move to the next. The state shall not make any law which takes away or abridges the fundamental rights. Which one of the following shall not be construed as law for this purpose? Which one? Whether it is bylaw, ordinance, rule, order, constitutional amendment. It should be T. Okay. Which one? Very important. This one. Constitutional amendment is under Article 368 and it can be implemented by whom? By the parliament only. Okay. Then which one of the following fundamental rights is guaranteed only to the citizens of India? Yate only huda ase, okay? Fundamental rights that will be granted only to the citizens of India and not to the foreigners that is living in India. Okay, hetu kuntu hobo, kuntu fundamental rights to hoy. This is freedom of speech and expression. Okay, so these are the few MCQs that I brought up today. Okay, jodi apnaloke bhal pai, then do comments me. Then only I will continue with this. Okay, if you want me to continue with this series, then in the next video I shall come out with the more MCQs relating to Indian polity. Okay, then till then, thank you so much for your love and support. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it. Okay, thank you and bye bye.